Today we're going to be talking about the Condor Quick Disconnect Plate Carrier. It's an MOL. This is in all tan. As you can see, it has many bags, features, and we'll be going over all of them. This is a quick disconnect system. So basically, you pull on this tab right here, and the back releases. The way the back works is the best quick disconnect comes along the ridge here and is tied in by this lace here. Now, when this is pulled, all these straps come loose and no longer tied together, so it'll just rip right out once you rip off the Velcro. Okay, so let's go back to the front. On this right here, let's start off with the radio pouch. Start off with the radio. You can do less if you want to. It matters how loose you actually want the pouch. Basically put it in there, snap it down, done. There's your radio pouch. Now let's see how it works. Got a little radio here. In. You got a radio. Now these also come with flags, tags, blood type. So put your flag on, put your name tag, you put your blood type, whatever you feel comfortable. You make the best to whatever you want to. Now on these right here is what most people have on the front. There's different types, as I'm going to show you. This one right here is for the M4s, the M16s, the two, basically the magazine holders. For last one there, snap them into place. Okay, now as you can see, once the magazine holder is installed, let's stick a couple of magazines in there. Now, each one is going to be a little different. These are brand spanking new, so they're going to be freaking extra tight. So let's get that one in there. Okay. So, let's stick on the second one. It seems to fit pretty well. So, let's move on. There's a different type of pouch. This is basically a utility pouch. Basically sticks anything in here from your cell phone to earplugs, whatever you feel. Even a small radio, if you have one of those little Motorola portable radios like they do in the that's done. Friends, there's a 3 magazine pouch, so this is the pouch over here. Let's turn it around and try to do some on the back. Work on the side pouches. Okay. Okay. Last but not least, last bag. There you go. Now, there you go. Now, one last item is little clips. These come in handy a lot. You can stick them anywhere. Put them in here, clip them into place, and you can hook anything you want to hook on here. Here you go. So, this is probably the only bags I'm going to need. If I do feel that I need some more, I will be probably adding. It's very comfortable, very, very comfortable. I do like the quick disconnect. We should test that out, shouldn't we? Okay. Let's see how it works. Okay, so basically, I guess the theory is, I pull this ring and drop it. Well, seemed like it worked pretty well to me. So this is Dan from my garage. Hope to see you next time.